About 9 months ago, we started the project as far as breaking ground. For us, this is pretty exciting. We have actually never built from the ground up. Everything we've always done has been through expansion. And so to have a project from the ground up and to build it the way we want it has been really exciting for us and for our staff and our technicians. It's got some new features that most of our other facilities don't have the luxury of having.
I'm amazed how much is grown out here. This is what, Alamo Ranch area?
Correct. This zip code here in Alamo Ranch area is one of the fastest growing zip codes in the country. And so we knew a long time ago that this would present a lot of good opportunities for us to get into the Alamo Ranch area and be involved in the community out here. It's got everything that we could ever ask for from an equipment standpoint. Latest, greatest technology with alignments and lifting capabilities. Probably our second biggest facility. It has 16 bays, which for us is really, really nice and convenient, just from a standpoint of being able to get in and out. Hopefully we'll be able to fill them all down the road.
Awesome, so this is your 8th location. Any room for more expansion?
In due time, yes. We're actually looking at the Petranco and Tally area. It would be a ground up project, but we're definitely looking to move out in that area.
Well, there's definitely a need for automotive services, and congratulations. You guys being a local family-owned business and a lot of support to support local, huh?
Yep. We enjoy it. We love being part of the community.
Nice, congratulations, brother.
Appreciate it, bud. Thank you.